Hi Khalid, how are you doing?
Said, doing great. How are you?
I'm also great.
How was your day?
So it was also good. Shall we proceed now?
Okay, you will start first.
Okay. In which class do you study?
I study in fourth grade.
Where are you from?
I am from Kashmir, Srinagar.
What is your father's name?
My father's name is Muhammad Yusuf.
What is his occupation?
He is a tailor.
Okay. What is your favorite sport or game?
I like to play cricket in my leisure time.
Can you tell me the name of your best friend?
Uh, Farhan,
What's your favorite color?
black.
What's your hobby or what do you do in your leisure time?
I play cricket or I play with cycle.
Okay. Who is your favorite teacher?
Rumaisa ma'am.
Okay. Which food do you like the most?
What?
Which food do you like the most?
Uh, in veg or non-veg?
As you wish.
In fast food or in
Non-veg, non-veg.
non-veg? I like to eat biryani.
Okay, what's your ambition in life?
I want to become a businessman.
Oh my
How
goodness,
many family?
really?
Yes, sir.
Oh, you are joking. Yes, sometimes you say that you want to become a scientist, sometimes you want to become a businessman. Why are you joking? Why aren't you giving the real
No,
answer?
sir. Sir, I have decided to become a businessman.
Oh my goodness, really?
Yes, sir.
Oh gosh, is it your decision or your father's decision?
Sir, my decision.
I don't think so.
Sir, this is my decision.
I think you will change your decision within few hours or few days.
No, sir.
Okay, let
This
us
is my
see what
personal
happens.
decision.
Okay, you can proceed, you can continue the conversation.
Khalid, can you tell me how many family members you are?
Uh, we are four family members, including me.
Okay, when do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 o'clock.
When do you have your breakfast?
Mm, at 7 o'clock.
Okay, which meal do you like most? Breakfast, lunch, or dinner?
Mm, thrice.
Okay, anyone which you like the most?
Breakfast.
Okay, which is your dream car?
Bukati Sentodiasi.
Okay, what's your favorite TV show?
Mm, nothing. Nothing.
You don't
Okay,
watch the TV?
No.
what do you do to relax yourself?
Mm, I sleep for few hours.
Okay, what's the best gift you have ever gotten?
That I have full marks in my exam.
Best gift you have ever gotten?
Yes, sir. Yes. Sorry.
Okay. Uh, what's the last thing you bought online that you really loved?
Nothing. I don't buy online.
Okay. What's your? Can you tell me about your one worst and one good habit?
One thing that I speak a lot, and I am the class topper.
Okay. If you could choose a superpower, what would you choose? What would you pick?
Time travel.
What's your dream job?
Businessman.
Okay, you may ask the questions.
Okay, what's your name?
My name is Hamid Wani.
What is your age?
My age is 15.
What is your hobby?
My hobby is to play cricket.
Okay, what is your ambition?
I want to become a doctor.
In which class do you read?
I study in 8th class.
What is your ambition?
My ambition is to become a doctor.
Oh. What's the time for English speaking class?
From 8:05 p.m. to 8:45 p.m.
Okay. What's your father's name?
My father's name is Anayat Wani.
Who is your bestie in this class?
My bestie is Rehan.
Sorry, in this class.
In this class, everyone is my bestie.
No, you had to choose one only.
You, Khalid.
Really?
Yes.
I don't think so.
Why you don't think?
Okay. In which school do you read?
I study in KB Public School.
Okay. Let's move to the GK. Who invented telephone?
Alexander Graham Bell.
Yes, correct answer. Who was the first person to step on moon?
Neil Armstrong.
Correct. Who invented penicillin?
Yes.
Who invented penicillin?
Penicillin. I don't know the answer of this question.
Alexander Fleming.
Alexander Flamingo.
Fleming. Fleming.
Fleming. Okay.
What's the full form of ZEO?
No, I have no idea.
Rural Education Officer.
Okay.
What's the full form of AM?
AM. Um, no, I'm not prepared for the GK questions.
We have learned this. AM. Uh, Anti-meridium. Hello?
Yes.
The full form of AM is anti-meridium.
Anti-meridium. Okay.
Yes.